hope you guys are doing well. So I hope you saw my previous science experiments. Previously I did a wholly special video like walking water. Wondering what is walking water? You can go to the info box and check out the video, but before watching this video. So today we are going to be, as well, like you know, we are going to be doing a science experiment. Now this science experiment is Chroma Illusion. Wondering what is Chroma Illusion, right? So let's get started. So now, as you can see, to do this experiment we need only a few and simple things. So you can take any three colors. For the timing I have taken the red color, the yellow color and the blue color. I have taken a big glass almost to the top of filled with water. I have got a straw, like a stirring stick, not a straw, a stirring stick, and then I have got two test tubes, as you can see, halfway filled with water. Okay, so now let's get on to with the experiment without any further ado. So now I will be just opening the lids of the test tube, and I'm going to be taking one test tube and adding 2 drops of red color. You can drop any much amount you like, the more the darker, you know. So I'm just pouring it. So as you can see, I have poured the red color 2 drops. Now I will pour the blue color in the other test tube. So 1 and 2. So now I will take the stirring stick and mix it a bit. My stirring stick got inside the test tube. Okay, but now as you can see, this test tube has a perfect red color and this tube has a perfect blue color. Now let's get on to the next step of the experiment. So now I will be keeping the test tubes aside for a bit. I'm just closing the lids so that you know nothing the water does not drip and all. So now I am taking the glass and now I will be taking the yellow color and mixing it. So I have put 3 colors, 3 drops of yellow. I will just pour another one. So that makes 4 drops. You can, as I said, you can give any amounts of drop you like. So now this water has, as you can see, has formed a perfect yellow color. Now I have prepared everything for the experiment. Now finally let's get started. How to know that if it is Chroma Illusion. What is a Chroma Illusion? Let's get started. Finally right now. Now for better confirmation, as you can see, this is whole yellow color. I will show you guys the test tubes. This test tube is contain the red color and this test tube has blue color. Now let's get on to with the experiment. I don't know how many times I've said that, but I have said that a million gazillion times. So finally, okay, let's not say that once more. So now I will take my blue colored, blue water colored test tube and I will be pouring it. So as you can see, my test tube water has turned green. Or is it really happened? Is it really turned green? Oh my god, it's still blue. Now again green. How is this happening? Let's take another example. Now this is the red water colored test tube. I'm dipping this inside and as you can see, this is orange color. Take it out, it's red color. Again dip it, orange color and red color. So why does this phenomenon happen? What is this phenomenon called? This phenomenon is Chroma Illusion. The Chroma Illusion science experiment is the experiment which we did today. Now why does this happen? This happens because our line of sight both of the colors get mixed. So we stare at it, right? We are staring at it from this angle, right? So what happens that this color and this color gets mixed in our sight. It doesn't actually mist, it just mixes in our line of sight, and we like see that the red has turned orange and the blue has turned green. So now like this is why like the colors appear to be mixed. Like this is why we see new colors in the area where both colors like overlap. Now so when I am dipping this, only this part of the test tube, only the end part of the test tube which is in the yellow water is just like overlapping. The rest is still blue, but the like test tube part which is inside the cup is still green. So I hope you guys have understand what is chroma illusion. So hope you guys liked the video. So I hope you guys learned like something new from this chroma illusion, and also listen to the remarks very carefully. If you like missed something in the remarks and why does this happen, you can go on the description box and check out the like why does this happen, why does the chroma illusion happen. And if you want to see another science experiment, you can either go on description and visit, or you can also click on the info card for the video. Now please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that your phone rings whenever I give an amazing science experiment video, comedy video, or I was thinking horror stories. Thanks for watching.